If you want to experiment with the Newton Cradle, this 3D printed set has everything you can think of. First of all, it has 3D printing balls. The orange one is the lightest one, red, medium, black, the heaviest. So you can try just with 3D printed balls, see how it goes. Next, you can graduate to a ceramic ball. These ones are drilled through the center, so they have a hole. And in order to properly attach it to the wire, you can use this little anchor. Take the anchor, simply put it through the hole, and right here at the top, there is a hook that you can use to attach it to the wire. The most interesting one, and probably the best, is the metal ball. So the steel ball doesn't have any hole. In order to attach it to the wire, we're gonna use this ring. How can you place it exactly on the ball? By the way, the ring has the same inner diameter as the outer diameter of the ball. So it's spherical on the inside. It's very, very thin, only 2 millimeters. And in order to place it on the pole, you can use this device. First, insert the ring. Then insert the ball. And this is calculated in such a way that if you put pressure on the ball, the ring is going to go exactly where it's supposed to be. So turn it upside down, press, and the ring is properly attached. Very, very hard to take away.